Okay, you may have already noticed that following this last video, there is a short little quiz that asks some questions about a particular field at Kirkwood. And so what I'm going to do here is just show you quickly how to get to that field so that you are able to answer those questions. So if you haven't already done so, go back to the part of the website, the area of interest, the first tab. Go down here to the quick navigation, and in mine I've already cleared it, but you may see a button here that says Clear AOI, Area of Interest. Go ahead and click that. Type in the address for Kirkwood, 6301 Kirkwood Boulevard Southwest, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, 52404, and click View. And again, it'll bring us back to the Kirkwood address. And so there we are. There's Kirkwood again. There is the field down here that we dealt with. And so now let's click on the hand and let's move the hand, move the location up so that we can get down to the actual Kirkwood farm and find our field we need. So there's the field we worked with before, right above 76. Let's keep moving south. And there we go. There is the equestrian center. There is the beef center. One thing to notice, these maps are not necessarily very up to date. This area over here is where the Kirkwood Hotel and all the building is going on. So these maps are not necessarily the most up-to-date things you'll ever see, but they do have a lot of information that's very useful and current attached to them. Alright, so equestrian center, beef center. This field right down here is the one we want to work with. And so if we take our AOI button and using our left click, highlight around this field, and depending on how closely you crop it, your area may be a few more acres or a few less acres than mine, depending on how closely you have it cropped to the actual edge of the field. And so we'll go ahead and create this area of interest for this particular field. And now you can go ahead and open up the quiz in a tab right next to this particular tab in your browser and answer questions in the quiz based on this particular area of interest at Kirkwood.